In a world where design often rushes forward, grain and glass reminds us that beauty is born from balance, the harmony between past and present. This modern farmhouse stands as a bold reimagination of rural living, where the rustic charm of natural wood meets the sleek clarity of glass. It's more than a home. It's a living gallery of timeless craftsmanship and contemporary vision. The idea began with a simple philosophy: preserve the warmth of farmhouse life while embracing the openness of modern architecture. Every element, from the reclaimed barnwood to the expansive glass walls, was chosen to create a dialogue between history and innovation. The designers sought to capture not only the aesthetic but the emotional essence of comfort and simplicity. Set against a backdrop of rolling fields and whispering trees, the structure breathes with its surroundings. Wide glass panes blur the boundaries between inside and out, allowing natural light to flood each corner. Meanwhile, textured wooden beams and earthy tones ground the home, ensuring it feels organically connected to the landscape it inhabits. The facade tells the story before you even step inside. Clean, modern lines frame the rustic materials, while black steel trims add a contemporary edge. The balance between glass and grain creates a rhythmic play of transparency and solidity, giving the farmhouse both strength and grace, a sculpture that evolves with the changing daylight. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a space that feels alive. Sunlight dances across polished oak floors, while the scent of timber evokes nostalgia. The open-plan layout celebrates connection. From the kitchen to the living area, every space flows effortlessly, encouraging conversation and comfort under one soaring vaulted ceiling. In grain and glass, the kitchen becomes a modern hearth. Sleek stone countertops blend seamlessly with handcrafted wooden cabinetry. Above, pendant lights glow softly, reflecting off glass panels that reveal the pastoral beauty outside. The dining area, adorned with a solid farm table, embodies the home's spirit, where simplicity invites sophistication. Each bedroom is designed as a retreat, a cocoon of calm where natural textures soothe the senses. Glass walls invite sunrise to gently awaken the space, while linen drapes and wooden accents maintain a sense of intimacy. It's a perfect example of minimalist luxury, where less truly becomes more. Even the bathrooms carry the home's signature blend of grain and glass. Imagine soaking in a freestanding tub as sunlight filters through frosted panes, the scent of cedar surrounding you. Stone, water, and wood converge in harmony, transforming everyday routines into peaceful rituals of rejuvenation. Beyond its visual poetry, grain and glass is built with conscience. Reclaimed materials, energy-efficient glass, and eco-friendly systems work quietly behind the scenes. The home doesn't just respect nature, it partners with it. Every breeze that passes through and every ray of sunlight captured reminds us of our role as caretakers of the earth. Brain and Glass redefines what it means to live beautifully and sustainably. It's not just architecture. It's an experience, a lifestyle that celebrates openness, warmth, and balance. Here, tradition and modernity don't compete. They collaborate. And in their meeting, we rediscover the art of living, simply, thoughtfully, and brilliantly.